How to make a TikTok with multiple pictures. It is definitely possible to make a TikTok with multiple pictures. You can tap on the TikTok option there and tap on the plus icon right over there from the bottom. Now you can choose a certain template. So if you like a certain template from here, you can go to a template. There will be many templates to choose from, so depending upon which one fits your style, you can select it. Then once done, you can tap on the try this template option right here. Choose some of the photos that you would like to add to that template, and once you've done that, basically you can just go ahead and tap on the next option, and based on the template it will automatically create the video for you, right? So you can see it will successfully create the TikTok. This is one of the simplest ways to basically make a TikTok with multiple pictures. Now if you also want to just create a generic post but with different photos, I can just come back to the post section. Similarly, just choose a photo and you can tap the next option, but whenever you do this, you just will have to swipe manually to view the other photos. So I hope that this video helped you understand. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.